Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Candace. Thank you so much for joining me. I am here today with a Boxycharm unboxing. I am subscribed to the base box, which is $25, but this box looks really big compared to my usual base boxes, and it also came FedEx, which normally it doesn't happen. My box usually just comes in the regular mail. So I am interested to see what's in this box. I checked the app that I have for American Express just to make sure I didn't buy the upgraded version, and I have been charged just for the base box. So let's see what this box brings us. I've missed you guys. It's been a really long time since I have been here, and I'm really happy to be back. I've missed you guys very much. Let's see, this is what I see in my box. Oh my goodness. This is probably why my box is so big. I picked this product. This is the Iconic London Day to Slay eyeshadow palette, and it's actually a very large palette. Look at these colors, you guys. They are so beautiful and they look like they're gonna blend really well with each other. I'm really glad that I picked this. So that was the palette. I am loving this box so far. That was what I chose though. There was a variation of some foundation and some other items. I am gonna go for the brush set next. You guys know I love getting brushes in my subscription boxes because I hate to buy them separately. They get to be really expensive. These are, you know what? How come I don't have the card that says my variation number? I don't have a card or anything that says the value of my items or what variation. Oh, let me get these all out of their little packaging here. These are from Alamar Cosmetics and feels like a really, really nice set. You get a complexion brush. This says brightening brush, and this one is a bronzer brush. They're all extremely soft and there's not like bristles coming out, which is really nice. Sometimes when you get new brushes, you'll get a lot of fallout. But I'm very interested with the bronzer brush. Let me see if I can get the angle on here right. It has like a lot of dips and grooves. I am very interested to try this brush. Feels really soft. Oh my goodness, I like the feel of these brushes. So a 3-brush Alamar Cosmetics set. Love, 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 love brushes. Awesome. I really wish I had my little paper. I don't have one. I have something from Ciao London, which I am in love with Ciao London. This is already my favorite box I think ever from Boxycharm. I am really, really, really liking this box so far. Oh, this is incredible. This is a coconut setting powder by Ciao London. Look at the cute packaging with a little bow on it. Oh my goodness, I love this. This is Everyday Vacay. You don't get any little applicator sponge, which is fine because I don't use those anyways. Oh, I am so excited. Oh. There is nothing like a good setting powder. Oh, I love it. Let me see, I'm gonna sprinkle just a little bit on here. So it looks really white, which is what I like. Then I can bronze it up. Oh, it leaves your skin really soft. I am super happy to have that. The next thing I see here is by First Aid Beauty. These are facial radiance pads. These are the facial radiance pads. I actually thought originally this was going to be some kind of a moisturizer, but these are facial pads. So these are probably for what, makeup removing? I wish I had that little paper. Oh my goodness, I didn't realize how much I needed that thing. Okay, so so after you cleanse your face, you go ahead and wipe this all over your face. So cool. Helps with radiance, I suppose. I'm gonna have to go through and add up all this stuff, find everything online and add it up. So the next thing is from Pure, and this is a 4-in-1 correcting primer. Energize and Rescue. Silicone free, that's awesome. Cruelty-free, paraben-free, vegan, gluten-free, and talc-free. Oh, I went to the eye doctor this week, so hopefully I can see a little bit easier. All right. Made in the USA. Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So I will definitely be giving this a try. I really like the packaging. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's like a pearl essence. It's actually like really pretty. It's not like overdone, but it's like really, really cute. Since I don't have the value sheet, I'm gonna go ahead and look up the items and try to tell you guys what my box is worth. All right, I have my little notes here. I looked every item up. So the facial radiance pads were $17. The Pure Correcting Primer, the 4-in-1 primer, is $23. The Ciate Everyday Vacay powder is $22. The Iconic London Shadow Palette is $60. I did not find this exact brush set online, so I'm giving it a $15 value. Bringing the total value of my box to $137, which is over the $125 price point. All right, that pretty much sums up this video. Thank you so much for watching. I had a blast and I hope you did too. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me if you'd go ahead and do that for me. While you're there subscribing, and click on that notification bell so you don't miss a future upload. Until we meet again, you guys, ciao Bella!